sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Today is Wednesday, August 1st, and I am about to get my eyebrows done, and then I'm gonna head to the mall, I think, or just Target, depending on what I'm up for. I need to get some shirts for my new serving job, and then later on I'm meeting up with my mom at some car dealerships, and we're gonna go look at cars for me, so yeah. Alright, so I just got back from Target, and I'm about to get ready because I'm meeting my mom soon to look at cars, and I'm here with my sister Josie, and she's getting ready because she's going to take her driving test today. She's going to get her license potentially, so yeah.
You learn as you get older. You must become a man one day. Put away childish things. It ain't hard to tell.
Now she's driver's license picture ready.
And your
car shopping ready. So my mom just got home from work and we're heading to some car dealerships now, so not sure if I'll be getting anything, but hopefully I see something I like. So pale, but yeah. Alright, so I completely forgot to film anything when I was car shopping yesterday, but I ended up finding a car, so I'm coming to you live from my new Kia Soul, and I'm really excited about it. We went to a few places, and I thought I really wanted a Jeep at first, and I found one I liked, and I thought I wanted a Fiat next, and then we ended up just going to the Kia dealership, and I didn't really know what kind of car I wanted at all, but I didn't think I was gonna end up getting a Kia, because that was just like, I thought a Kia Soul was cute, but my parents thought they were ugly. But we got inside of this car, and I just fell in love with it. And we were there for a few hours last night, so I was exhausted. My phone was like dying. Yeah, so I'm in my new car, and I'll close out this vlog here, but stay tuned for my next vlog. I'll include more clips from my car. So yeah, thanks for watching.